Why does your scanner show the P2181 engine code? What does it mean? P2181 is a diagnostic trouble code for cooling system performance. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's PCM has detected that the engine's operating temperature is outside of the manufacturer's specified range, either too hot or too cold. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Thermostat issues, low coolant level, faulty engine coolant temperature sensor. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen and Audi vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.